friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can create an ebook using Canva. Canva is a free tool. You can use it to create thumbnails, images, presentations, and much more like ebooks, etc. So in this video I will show you how you can create ebooks for yourself or your business, and you can grow your audience through ebooks. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Go to canva.com and then you will see this screen. Here it is, canva.com. Now you have to search for ebooks, and first we have to design an ebook cover, then we will design an ebook. Alright, first click on ebook cover. Now you can choose from pre-built-in templates. Here are thousands of templates available. For example, I like this one. Click on it and it will be selected. Now you can change the text to according to your requirements. For example, WordPress, and you can also change this text as well. An ebook guide, and you can also change text as well. And now if you want to change the text color, you can change it from here according to your needs and wants. For now I think red color is good, and you can also change the font of the text from here. You can see, for example, I choose this one, and you can also increase and decrease the size of the text as well. And if you want to apply any effects, you can also do that. If you want to add a background, you can do that as well. For now I am not going to add any background, and if you want to change this whole background, you can change it from here. You can see there are many backgrounds available. Alright, once it's done, click on share and click on download, and then select the file type png or jpeg, and then click on download, and your file will be downloaded. Now our ebook cover is ready. Now we have to create an ebook. Go back to Canva and this time search for A4 document. Select A4 document. Now you can choose a template. Here are many pre-built and free templates are available from where you can choose. For an example, I have selected a template. This template has 3 pages, and you can see. Now we can customize this template according to our requirements. We can edit this text, WordPress or SEO, and we can remove this text if we want, and we can change this text as well. For example, I am going to write for design, and then you can change the name, and then if we want to change the font of this text, we can change it from here, and we can also change the color to red. And now if we want to change the color of the background, we can change it from here like this, and we can customize it according to our requirements, as you can see that. And we can also add the effects. For example, I want to add a background, I can do that. I can also choose a color, and then I can also change these options as well. You can see this. Alright, now he can edit this as well. For example, this text is too small, we can increase its size, and we can also delete some text as well, and then we can increase its size. You can see that. And you can also remove the background from here, and I would like to add an element here as well. For example, this element here, and we can change the element size, element's location, and percentage of this line, and also line weight. You can see that. Alright, now let's go to our third page. We can edit and customize this as well as we want. For example, I don't need a text here and I want to add an image here. Just select this text and delete it. Now go to photos, and from here you can select any photo, any image for free, and if you want to upload an image, you can upload it from here, and then you can just simply drag and drop the image here. You can see that. And then if you want to add a text, you can add it from here. For example, I want to add a heading, and we can also add an image shadow if we want. For example, click on the image and then click on edit image, and then scroll down, go to shadows. Now you can choose which effect you want to apply to the image. For example, I want to add a glow effect. Click on it and then double click on it to see the settings. Now you can change these options: blur to 0, and then transparency 100, and then you can increase its size. Right, you can see this shadow has been added to the image. All right, and I think we need to change the background as well. Go to background, and then we can change our background to white. All right, that's it. And if you want to add a video or audio, etc., you can add that as well. And you can also add charts to your ebook, and you can also add different styles. You can see that you can add the styles as well. And if you want to add charts, you can also do that. You can see here. All right, once it's done, now click on share, and you can also share it to your social media profiles, and you can also download it. I'm just going to download it in the PDF standard format. Select the PDF standard format and then click on download. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can see that here is our ebook. It's ready. You can use it. You can use it, and you can also sell it online as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care.